and welcome to the second Northern International Audiovisual Show here in Penang. The show highlights immersive experience and engaging workshops as well. From hands-on demonstration to insightful talks by industry professionals, and the attendees will have the opportunity to delve into deep world of audiovisual technology, gaining valuable insights and experiencing the first-hand and the most high-end speakers as they never knew existed.
I am proud to see fellow Penangites here today, not just as visitors, but also as exhibitors, taking part and showcasing their desire to leverage Penang's position as a regional magnet for niche businesses and creative economy. This exhibition showcases over 40 unique exhibits featuring international exhibitors from Singapore, Lithuania, Canada, Taiwan, Thailand, Denmark, Australia, and the United States, and local exhibitors from Penang and Malaysia as well. As a result, this event is anticipating to attract approximately 7,500 visitors throughout these 3 days.
Came to Malaysia because of Wilson, Wilson and the state government to be able to sponsor this and bring us over, because I am never going to forget this experience my entire life.
I have two really big passions, right? One is audio video, and that's everything 2-channel and multi-channel, movies, music. So when Wilson said, hey, would you be interested in coming out? I don't know that there's a way that I could have said no. I mean, this is a wonderful opportunity. It's something that I think I will cherish forever, right? It's a memory that will not fade. Hopefully will lead to even bigger and better things. Maybe next year we'll all be able to come out again. And so anyway, my thanks to everyone. And for me, I couldn't say no. This is wonderful.
When Wilson contacted me, the key things that I was excited about, being from Australia, we don't get a lot of hi-fi shows in Australia. We have one in Sydney, one in Melbourne. The place that I was coming to and the anticipation of that was super exciting. So it's been an amazing experience. Again, like Dave said as well, so thankful. It's been a wonderful opportunity.
And I encourage each and every one of you to fully immerse yourselves in the experiences that this show has to offer, from interesting exhibits to insightful discussion. I believe there is something here for everyone to enjoy and learn from over the next 3 days.